بيا كمال كنور اونلاين تي في شانل تكون كلام جديد بكونالين لربان لينغوا سمي كوي اس اس بي دي اف ري ويتش ك ايكواتوريا كان ويسترن بارغزال سيالا دو كان شيكن ايري موالون شيكن كان وينمي نيري نكن كهالي شيك ديني اسبيلي مايو شيك حالي شيكن كنك واجي كن كواكي كن كوال شيك لت بج لون شيكن كلات gor jeno beje nyaga yekel ko dobrana shalat ke jogwasme mi jiram jidit kan kono nyamre ler kaneme gor jeno deri chonkel kanor online tv channel ka o der subscribe ke der je nyaga nas ko ken ka der sharo der ja gor pingwasma aler bu kon lingwasme ler mi sha gor ka ta dana chi kuma kirma yadit she ngot che ka bai ke je ko she wona ko naga ni kontila civilian tin konente kel ke spele io rewich ko western bargazal kana rewich ki equatoria lereme banjelin kel ko dob da ni chaje non kaja ken yambe je klat ka thoknath karode beje non ye ka thok english de ni kirma yadit tin chiwo ka kubri ngab take a checkpoint ka river county ka western bargazal state shala do nene shikarodian yodjok ki shikarodian woch gwaza dana chikana kep ka kuma spele io ko kan me wo gwata mi chikanu ko wo nyin ka hal wunyi ni kan ke dina spele io e ka kwi checkpoint ka antama shika spele io chikana joch are wuji dana la kana wutin radian kan dinda to tin children kul wujan tama ka river ka western bargazal shala do nene radian te naitin chalka national security ticketin ala national security personal ticketin ka kan deni sspdf gwatme waken shagala don gwadamo ka western bargazal state ko wo bike SPLIO force bikan o mak jende do no lat kana no e kwi checkpoint ka chalor na mashi kwi checkpoint ka ngai kona ka western bargazal shikor ngwan chika tukten ke chinire ngwan chika liu kam SPLIO kene kume SSPDF ke kume kirma yadit ano kene editi kene edishal ke national security me wakan wo ko de kan perde kan olat duno la karina matkel ke SSPDF alo nyen kan kake ano gwada me chalaro nena wane editi ken SSPDF wakan shike michade lat ke shike human right violation jikana lat wachi kana torture wayen kana bang michigane ke kana duech lo ne kane anyok bo wa ken bo kan man sexual violence against civilian ala michi ko ke ken civilian ken ka kep anyok wa ken wan kan dul no kai nan kan kwak ka local market alo la ken wudoran buka kwakram buken ko kan michi kan misha na chaga joj ka wonyeni kan ka spele mayo in a state gor keno bika kwakne kon ne tin kon la hali bikin ka kan wala kana wo bikin check kapin ko do bana chalat ke je gwasme western bargazal state police commissioner major general aben nego akol chela do won tama cha dinja to cha ka wuch ka river ka kubri ngap ko ken cha ka gwan a civilian en wo nakana ka wankan dul kana kan kwak ano missionary bare wuch bika lolel bika wuch bika na lo get mitiram chi dore wuch bika na lo kan me shek kan ka je ka bom ka dwa ke ji anyong mi cha ji ka ji ram cha gu no dong ri chonkel ka spele wayo ba ji yene kan ka dwa ke ji wa kwa pel ne ko ne kan kana ku kana torture frankian antama shi kuma man la state security pinde ka do branan chi shalat ke je wa ke ne ti de ka gorken de ko ne anak rewi ka western bargazala de ni SSPDF tin cha ngot cha jetul ko de ka kef ka de ka yen ke de ka ti ka ngot ko ken yer ken community dung South Sudan ken mu ken yen ka swele mayo angu mu kan nan ka civilian de ka chinga nan gwada de ka chingtana ko bikanat bikan kaunak bikanat bikan kwakin bikan gamach de ko kula cham wan kan dul nat ba kwak ba dul ba galat ko ko tika kel ka jes fele mayo neme ajena twok antama kanasir ajena lat kan tama kanasir adini asas pdf alo shi kan wati kan ga tul ano shi kan goro to bi Sudan ba tika mal gwi kan ne dial bikan ga dismantle ko shi kan goro no bi fele mayo ba tika gwat ku kan civilian ku kan lele yannak wari ga nan ci twok ka western bargazal wa goro jeno ba guje gwa ka ta dana sha human right violation charge latin adinitin ladini kirma yadit ano netu wan gor kamal duno kuma Sudan la kuma kirma yadit akane de konna kana lat kana no tele mech ka dini kende ka mech dana kana ka je ko jendan gor kana sha national government charge teach ko de kan rigadan ci to ka kaburi bu ko western equatorial state gwadana to korten kama spele ayo kene SSPDF ka dobrana cha jiwo cha kana kaje de ka teach ko cha 1000 of civilian pankin cha ka jujrai wuch ka cha tandien cha kana tikene dialno de kana me de kana gorde jalin ke de jangach ko shi SSPDF cha reg mu dire long cha jalare wucin winami shi ka ngot kana violate ngode dane cha tayni wal men ji dot karwara tama o ba ma ba yore wi juba kuma spele mayo ko do badana gwi kan wana kaje ko ne shang spele mayo wala kana ladino ngumi yer kuma South Sudan SSPDF de ni kirma yadi da ngumi tolkan mal kaje bika jiɛɛn ke takting mulo ni checkpoint ito ite ka checkpoint me shagak wo kana lep kana shine de tetka diyan tane tetka da shiyang ma chatin mitte ga michine gak de ka tinne Dr. Machar ko de right kana mite ga michine ga ko jaram danan kuna respond kaja ka jaram danan kamne lere ko ka jaram dan right ne ga jenisha duno attacking ni jen ko take a checkpoint it shagak ko bika na bika spele mayo bikan ga George ka bika ne kon inte kele ka bikan kanak chana na meling government security force deployed at the Kubri ngab checkpoint in Ju River County Western Bargazal State have withdrawn from the area, official confirmed on Tuesday. The force is comprising national security personnel and element of the South Sudan People Defense Force (SSPDF) were deployed earlier this month following clashes between government troops and opposition SPLA-IO forces. The violence erupted over a dispute involving a SPLA-IO soldier wearing national security uniform, resulting in casualties and injuries. During their deployment, the government forces were accused of serious human rights violations, including torture, arbitrary arrests, and sexual violence against civilians. They were also alleged to have burned down a local market and looted civilian property. Western Bargazal State Police Commissioner Major General Abenego Akol Ayong confirmed the withdrawal in an interview with the media. He stated that the decision was made by the State Security Committee led by governor in response to the atrocities committed by the deployed forces. Gwade dan chikana ngaje no cha ngaje no shikana chikana nak wajana wakuka ule withdraw na. Me chikana ngaje no cha ngaje shikana ngwani kana nak shuka chu withdraw ke shuka rodin were which. We decided on Monday to withdraw the forces because of the atrocities they have committed on the ground, which were unacceptable to the committee and the local population, say Ayong. Burning of houses, looting continues, so we withdraw them, and the police will now maintain peace and order. Ayong added that civilians had begun celebrating the withdrawal, with some returning to their homes after receiving news of the development. However, local residents say that the area had been severely damaged, with homes destroyed and the community facing significant challenge in rebuilding their lives. Stephen Robo Musa, the state coordinator for the Community Empowerment for Progress Organization, or CEPO, welcomed the military pullout as a positive step toward restoring peace and stability in Ju River County. We always welcome any decision that brings peace and tranquility to residents, Musa said. We need peace and stability not only in Western Bargazal but across South Sudan. Musa also called for accountability, urging the government to investigate and prosecute soldiers involved in the alleged atrocities. We are calling for accountability for any violation committed during this period. Accountability is essential to ensure such incidents do not happen again, he said. He further urged the national government to address ongoing clash in Kaburi-Bu, Western Equatoria, where fighting between government forces and SPLA-IO troops are displaced thousands of civilians.